What's a generic? The easiest way to understand it is to assert that it's a parameter for the type. The main concept of static typing is to impose as many restrictions as possible upstream in the use of variables to save time when debugging downstream. However, coding sometimes requires flexibility. For instance, consider a function that could operate on arrays with elements of any type. Will you use any? Absolutely not. That will defeat the purpose of TypeScript and leave you vulnerable to future bugs. With generics, you can limit this freedom only as much as you need. Here, for instance, you could work with arrays containing any kind of data, but there's also possible binding if you look thoroughly. The type that is coming inside the array will be the same that comes out of the function. A number with an array of numbers, a string with strings, an object with objects, and so on. However, after assigning a generic to the function, you will still be able to use it with different types of arrays. So, for the syntax, after the equal sign for the type definition, we will put angle brackets t in front of all to declare a generic but binding type. Then, we have two ways of saying that the array will contain only the binding t, and the same will also apply to the returned value. The last hint maximizes TypeScript usefulness through the right approach. Always type the signature before the body and not vice versa. This way, the compiler will immediately warn you if what you return is not consistent.